Seatbelts left to right, bags on the floor. Again, I will call you one row at a time.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please five seatbelts. Keeping the hands on
I appreciate your patience. Row 6, thank you. Row 6.
And you take special care to see the
Row 5 in the back or right, please.
Thank you. Estimables once again.
Row 4, middle left for us, please.
Do we look exactly like it? Hang on, which one is that? Yep, that's right. You're right. There's somewhere to put our bags. Where's it go?
Seatbelts are buckled left to right side. We'll begin. Row 6, pull the yellow strap to the right side of your seatbelt. Thank you there. Row 5, row 3, row 4. Row 2, pull the yellow strap to the right side of your seatbelt, please. And row 1. Fantastic. And one last check, everyone, please. Both arms up into the air for one quick moment. Both arms in the top as well. There we are. You'll need that again later, so do not forget it. And enjoy your stay. If you need anything at all, please feel free to scream.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
I don't know. I don't even know this one. All the time.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Please tell me you're done. I didn't just eat something.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guide. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you're going to find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
I did. You can go. You can go.
Oh my god.